What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside of the BMW M4, and today we're going to take it on a night PO drive through Los Angeles, check out a few car meets. So with less being said, let's start this thing up and get on the road. Valley out here in Los Angeles. We got the pops and bangs going, and we're out here headed to a car meet downtown Los Angeles. Should be some nice BMW M cars turn up to the event, so that should be pretty exciting. So before we continue on with today's video, I want to thank the sponsor of the video, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber sells genuine carbon fiber accessories like this phone case, also this money clip or wallet, and they even have carbon fiber sunglasses, which are super lightweight and comfortable, which you can wear all day. So if you guys do want real and genuine carbon fiber accessories, make sure you click those links in the description. Use the code BF10, you're gonna get 10% off. And with less being said, let's get on with today's video. Man, this thing is just fast. We're working with around like 520 horsepower, 0 to 60 like 3.5, 3.4. It's just a quick car. As you guys know, some of these California roads are just the best. The lights on the hills at night, real nice vibe. Oh, got some tunnel action. Oh yes. Oh my God. Now that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why I bought this car. That is exactly why. You get those crazy, just crazy pops and bangs, just lightning fast shifts. Man, this cop was checking me out right here. Had to slow things down a bit. All the big lights. You know, I'm from a smaller town, so you don't really see these kind of buildings every day, so it's pretty nice. We got an M5 comp right in front of us. Alright, so driving around these parking structures can be a little sketch in this car because this thing's a bit wide. So we just made a quick stop, checked out this nice BMW meet. We're about to hop back in the M4, get back on the road, rip up the streets. Oh my gosh. But now we're gonna head over to Rodeo in Hollywood, see what kind of cars we can come across. Got a brand new GT3 right here in Miami blue. 992, beautiful car. Bentleys, Venador, SVJ, wow. McLaren Senna, where are we? Look at all these supercars. So we are on Rodeo Drive. This red M8 right there is beautiful. Nice McLaren. It's a 600 LT. Look at that Ghost. Beautiful. Ooh, AMG Aston. Look at this GT3 RS. Gorgeous.
Yo, what's done to it?
Your
GoPro'd out.
Yeah.
You want to get a roll with my Z06?
I'm down.
Let me get your IG. Is this it?
Yeah.
I'll hit you up on IG.
Bet.
I'll hit you up on the DM. We'll get a roll soon, okay?
Sounds good, bro. Apparently he's got a Z06. He wants to race. Look, cop pulling someone over right there. The bar scene of Hollywood. We got a whole bunch going on over here. You got bars, restaurants, people dressed up. Ooh. So here goes the Ferrari. It's a GTC4 Lusso. Looks like we set off a car alarm. Oh my gosh. There always seems to be something going on Hollywood Boulevard here in LA. I mean, man, this is just a lot of people. I mean, granted, it's a Friday night, but it's packed. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.